Jamison Park Homeowners Association needed to contract with a vendor for pressure washing. When we went to the marketplace, Cary Pressure Washing not only provided an outstandingly competitive bid, but the owner, Mark, provided some good ideas of things we hadn't been considering that really needed some washing. When all was said and done, not only was it done in a timely manner, competitively priced, but the ideas that Mark presented made our pool area look so much better than it had in the past. In fact, we heard positive comments from the majority of the community.
We chose Cary Pressure Washing to clean up our house. We had a lot of mold and mildew on the trim work and wanted to brighten it up a little bit. Their prices were great. We had heard great things about them, so we decided to give them a call. They were very courteous and very prompt, and like I said, had great prices. Did a great job.
Well, I called them, and within a couple of days they came out and they did the full house. Actually, I was at work, and when I came home I was surprised because I looked like I had a new house because I hadn't had it pressure washed in a couple years.
Fantastic work, I can highly recommend.
I would recommend Cary Pressure Washing to anyone.
I highly recommend Cary Pressure Washing.